Yes, Peter. This was the method, family budget method, as you can see on the screen. Consumer price index. Please remember, ये भी question आ सकता है. What is the full form of this? So don't forget. Some may write Communist Party of India. ठीक है? This is not Communist Party of India. This is Consumer Price Index. या इसी को बोल देते हैं Cost of Living Index. So formula is sigma RW divided by sigma W, where R means price relative. Or how to calculate price relative? By getting this equation, P1 divided by corresponding value of P0 into 100. मतलब हर एक आइटम का करंट प्राइस कितना है उसको उसी आइटम के बेस प्राइस से कर देना डिवाइड, देन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. एंड वेट्स, समटाइम्स आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो, समटाइम्स इन द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वेट्स विल बी ऑलरेडी गिवन, but in case weights are not given directly, then no problem, we can easily calculate by multiplying P0 into Q0. ठीक है जी, ये formula है. Then I think we have done this question. You can see briefly I explain this, then we do go ahead with the next question. So this information is given along with the quantity. These units of measurement units are given, quintal, liter, meter, one house, these things are given. Nothing to worry, कुछ भी नहीं करना है हमने. वी हैव टू जस्ट इग्नोर दीज यूनिट्स, वी जस्ट हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड वट एवर, ओनली वी हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू दीज नंबर्स ओनली. ठीक है, वी डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग विद दीज क्विंटल और लीटर, मीटर, नथिंग, नो नीड टू वरी. देन base year quantity denoted by Q0, base year price denoted by P0, current year price is denoted by P1, and then we have calculated R. R means price relative. ठीक है, हर एक वैल्यू को एक एक वैल्यू को लेते जाना है. On that day some student asked कि is it 80 or 30? बेटे this is 30, 30. ठीक है, तो 30 divided by this 24 into 100, जो भी वैल्यू आएगी. अच्छा, in case value comes in point, तो here we can have this much liberty. तो पॉइंट में डिजिट के बाद, डेसिमल के बाद यू कैन कैलकुलेट ओनली अप टू 1 पॉइंट, बिकॉज अदरवाइज इट बिकम्स वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स. अगर हम यहाँ भी 2 डिजिट्स करते हैं फिर बहुत लंबा हो जाता है, इट टेक्स मोर टाइम टू कैलकुलेट. सो हियर अप टू इन द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज वैल्यूज, पॉइंट आफ्टर पॉइंट 1 डिजिट वैल्यू कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड. ठीक है, राउंड ऑफ नहीं करना है. देन आफ्टर डूइंग दिस, देन वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड W, P0 into Q0. ठीक है, सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन करके फिर थर्ड कॉलम बनेगा लास्ट कॉलम RW, मीन्स जो भी वट एवर प्राइस रिलेटिव्स हैव बीन कैलकुलेटेड दे आर टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस W कॉलम, वेट कॉलम. सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन, देन इट्स टोटल, देन ये सिग्मा W इट्स टोटल, देन सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यूज इन द फॉर्मूला एंड देन सिंपल डिवीजन. यहाँ पर आपकी मर्जी है, अगर टाइम कम है तो आई एम टेलिंग यू पॉइंट के बाद सिंगल डिजिट भी कर सकते हो, बट लास्ट आंसर में यू कैन ट्राई अप टू 2 डिजिट्स. रेस्ट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर स्पीड ऑफ कैलकुलेशन. ठीक है, एक वाला भी गलत नहीं होगा, बट नाउ यू आर सीनियर क्लास तो थोड़ा सा कोशिश करें. ठीक है, नहीं होगा तो नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो, नाउ प्लीज राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आई ट्राई टू शो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नाउ प्लीज नोट डाउन द वैल्यूज, डोंट राइट द सोल्यूशन. हाँ जी, मैं बोल देती हूँ साथ में. कैलकुलेट कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स, calculate consumer price index with family budget method. Please write the name of method, family budget method. And first column is item, second column is year 2011, year है 2011. Below that 2011, please further divide it into 2 parts. One you write price, ठीक है, one is quantity below 2011. Then price के नीचे यहाँ पर you can leave one line because here abbreviations are to be written, so one extra line you can leave here. और accordingly यहाँ नहीं लिखना है, by mistake I wrote. Then next line से you start writing names of the items are A, B, C, D and E. इसकी जगह wheat, rice, ghee, oil ये भी हो सकता है. Any name can be there or simply A, B, C, D can be there. Then 2011 price values are 2, 4, 6, 10, 5. I repeat, 2, 4, 6, 10 and 5. Quantities of 2011 are 24, 14, then 8, 4, 8. 24, 14, 1, 4, 14, 8, 4 and 8. Then prices of 2018. Prices are 3, 5, 9, 12 and 5. 3, 5, 9, 12 and 5. ठीक है, मैं पिछली स्लाइड ले रही हूँ ताकि आप सोल्यूशन नहीं देख पाओ. ठीक है, नाउ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट योरसेल्फ, because many students they just note down the solution, so there is no use of that. So first step is to give the short names, abbreviations. So 2011 का price will be P0. 2011 की quantity will be shown as Q0. Then 2018. Now you have to decide yourself कि comparatively जो new year है that is our current year and comparatively older year is base year. So price of 2018 is P1. Now start calculating price relative column. Formula is ऊपर आप लिख लो साथ में R is equal to P1 by P0 into 100. All are requested to be fast. Swaraj, your video is not on. Swaraj, keep your video on. Yes, video should be on every time. Sukhjeet ma'am, please mute all the students. Hurry up, bete, hurry up. May I tell the values of price relative column? You can cross check. As per my calculation, price relative values are 150, 125, again 150, then 120, and last one is 100. I may also be wrong. Please check carefully. 150, 125, 150, 120, 100. ठीक है जी, these are the values of price relative column. Now you find weights column, W. And how is it to be calculated? Formula is W is equal to P0 into Q0. Please don't make use of calculator. Ashwinder, calculator bete, it's not allowed. Otherwise in the exam you will face difficulty. So try to have practice with hand only. Okay, can I tell the values of weight column? Weights column, you can cross check. Weights column की values are 48, 56, 48, 40, again 40. I am repeating 48, 56, फिर 48, then 2 times 40, 40, 40. ठीक है? Now find RW column, multiplication. 150 into 48. Okay, you take 1 minute, then I tell. Jasleen, your video is not on. Jasleen, keep your video on. Jasleen Kaur, you are requested to keep your video on, otherwise you will be removed. Jasleen Kaur, are you hearing me?
I think she is not there.
She is not there, huh? That's why she has just entered the meeting and now she is not. Ma'am, please remove her.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji, thank you. Hanji bete, now please cross check, because I want to do 2 more questions of the same method. So please cross check quickly. Values of RW column 7200, 7000, फिर 7200, then 4800, and last is 4000. Is it right? Manya, ठीक है जी? Okay, I repeat, 7200, 7000, again 7200, 4800, 4000. ठीक है? Now find its total. Sum total, sigma RW, means just add all these values. As per my calculation, it is coming out to be 30,200. Ishapreet, is it right? Just shake your head. 30,200. ठीक है बेटे? Okay, very right. Now calculate sigma W, summation of weights. Be fast. Rupinder Kaur, please tell me, is it 232? 26 roll number Rupinder Kaur. Just shake your head. 232, are you getting? Very right. Now beta, all of you substitute the values. Now I show you my solution. You can cross check. Yes, you can cross check here. ये आ गया 30,200 and sigma W is 232. You all can cross check with this slide. So then we have to write the formula. There are marks for formula also, step by step. Then put the values, 30,200 divided by 232, and after the calculation, it is coming out to be, you can just note down this answer, because otherwise we won't be able to do more question. Later on, you divide it yourself. 130.17. ठीक है जी? Because if many students are slow in calculation, so they will take more time. In that case, we won't be able to do any other question. So you just note down, later on you can check. It is coming out to be 130.17. Okay? No need to round off. Whatever is coming, just write accordingly. Okay? Chalo. Now let us try to do one more question. Please write the values. Find the cost of living. Find the cost of living. Hanji ma'am.
There was one student who raised the hand. Who was it? अभी उसने lower down कर लिया.
Unmute
हाँ
that
जी.
student. Hanji bete, who wants to ask
करिए
anything?
बेटे, ask your question.
Yes, any student? Because I am unable to see the hand. Anyone who wants to ask, they can ask the question.
बेटे unmute yourself. Chat में message आया है.
Bete, any
She said
student?
no, it's okay and it's clear.
Okay.
I'm not able to see the whole name. Yes,
Achha.
Manya.
Okay. I
She
can
said it's
show
clear.
the, okay, no problem. I show the slide of previous answer again. You can cross check. Manya, if you have any difficulty, you can see the slide. It is 30,200 divided by 232. And answer is coming out to be 130.17. यहाँ पे I just said कि calculation अभी नहीं हो रही है. You can skip later on in your free time. You can do, because I just wanted to go ahead with the next question. ये बोला था मैंने बेटे. ठीक है, चलो now next question कर लेते हैं, because otherwise time finish हो जाएगा हमारा. Find the cost of living index or CPI. ठीक है, two names are there. Any name can be asked with the help of family budget method. So let us write quickly. Items are wheat, rice, bajra, then अरहर नहीं है, सॉरी, घी, कुछ भी लिख लो बेटे, any item. household items are there. Wheat, rice, sorry, it is sugar, ghee, clothing, fuel and rent. Let me find my own question also. हाँ जी, wheat, rice, sugar, ghee, clothing, fuel and rent. ठीक है. Then it is given quantity used in 2009. Quantity used in 2009. उसके नीचे 2 लाइन्स छोड़ के देन यू राइट द वैल्यू. ये बेटा कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, ये वैसे ही दिस इज अ मार्क ऑफ द पेन, 1 नहीं है ये. ठीक है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. 2 क्विंटल, 20 kg, 10 kg, 5 kg, 25 meter, 40 kg and 1 house. 2 quintal, 20 kg, 10 kg, 5 kg, 20 meter, 40 kg and 1 house. Okay, then next column, prices in 2009. Prices के नीचे 2 columns further subdivision has been done. एक year दिया हुआ है 2009 and other one is 2018. So prices of 2009 are 75, 12, again 12, 10, 4.5, 10, 25. I repeat, 75, 12, again 12, फिर 10, फिर 4.5, फिर 10, then 25. And the prices of 2018, they are 125, 16, again 16, then 15, then only 5, then 12, and last is 40. Check again, I speed. 125, 16, again 16, 15, then 5, only 5, then 12, and last is 40. Now here little bit difference is there, that's why I am showing you the solution also, but I request you to please do it yourself also. After you doing your work, then you can cross check. First of all, R column, price relative column. Formula is P1 by P0 into 100. Now take one value of P1. First of all, decide ki which year is current year and which one is base year. So comparatively 2018, it is a new year. So very easily we can come to know ki this is current year. So its price will be denoted by P1. Okay? And 2009 is older year comparatively. So price of 2009 will be shown by P0. Similarly, quantity of 2009 that will be denoted by Q0. ठीक है, एक एक लाइन यहाँ छोड़ लेनी है so that nicely and thoroughly we can clear cut manner, in a clear cut manner we can write these abbreviations. Congested सा नहीं करना है. ठीक है, now calculate price relative. First is 125 divided by 75 into 100. So it is coming out to be in point. ये आ रहा है 166.66, आगे भी 6 ही आ रहा है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग 2 digits, बिकॉज अदरवाइज फिर मल्टीप्लाई करना मुश्किल हो जाता है ना, दैट्स वाई पॉइंट के बाद सिंगल डिजिट ले लेते हैं. 166.6. प्लीज डोंट मेक इट 7, राउंड ऑफ नहीं करिए, जो है एज इट इज वी कैन राइट. देन नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड आइटम, P1 इज 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 12. ये लिख दिया 16 by 12 into 100. And it is coming out to be 133.3. Again, after point, single digit can be written, 133.3. Then third item, again same as 16 by 12. ये लिख दिया 16 by 12 into 100. So same values हैं, तो same answer is there, 133.3. Next is this 15 divided by this 10. ये लिख दिया 15 by 10 into 100. It's 150, 150. ठीक है जी. Then for next item, 5 divided by 4.5. So here calculation to be done very carefully. 5 is being divided by 4.5 into 100. So it is coming out to be 111.1. Please ये calculation जरा आप ध्यान से करिए. Don't depend on my calculation. Firstly, you do yourself, then cross check. it's coming out to be 111.1. Then next item, that is 12 over 10. Ye means one value of price, the current price is to be taken, it is to be divided by P0 of the same commodity. ठीक है, तो ये आ गया 12 by 10 into 100, it is 120. And last is 40 divided by this 25 into 100. It is 160, 160. I hope you have all have got this. Anji, Simranjeet, have you got with it? Simranjeet Kaur, just shake your head, I can see. ठीक है, very right. Swaraj, have you got all these values with it? Just shake your head. Yes, very nice. Okay, fine. हाँ जी, next column, weights column. ठीक है, weights are equal to, now weights column directly it's not given anywhere, so that means we need to calculate ourselves. Formula is P0 into Q0. याद कर लेना है, P0 into Q0. ठीक, अब आपने एक वैल्यू यहाँ से लेते जाइए P0 की, वन वैल्यू फ्रॉम दिस Q0 साइड, सिंपल मल्टीप्लीकेशन, 75 into 2, 150. फिर देन 12 into 20, ये 12 into 20, ये आ गया 240. Then next 12 into 10, 120. Next is, you can see from your own table, 10 into 5, ये आ गया 50. After that 4.5 into 25, अब now it is coming in point, 112.5. You please check this multiplication, 4.5 into 25. आप अपना check कर लीजिए, 112.5. Then next is 10 into 40, 400. And last is one house, ये दिया ना one house quantity, और ये वैल्यू दिया, प्राइस दिया उसका, मतलब रेंट दिया हुआ है 25, तो 25 into 1, 25. ठीक है, नाउ प्लीज कैलकुलेट इट्स टोटल, फाइंड सिग्मा W. Only one value is given in point, rest all are in complete number. तो राउंड ऑफ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, as whatever is coming write in the same way. So as per my calculation it is 1097.5. ठीक है, 1097.5. ठीक है जी, okay. Now come to last column. Now what to do? Now we have to multiply this price relative column and this weights column. Simple multiplication. Now be careful, do fast. After doing, then you can cross check from this table. Multiply 166.6 and 150. In the concept of index numbers, there are calculations, so you all need to be faster. बेटे पहले अपनी कैलकुलेशन करिए, उसके बाद क्रॉस चेक करिए, पहले देख देख के नहीं लिख लेना आपने. Saksham, your video is off. Saksham, keep video on. Rupinder Kaur also. Yes, video should be kept on, bete. Yes, these calculations are a bit lengthier one. You can cross check. First is 24,990. 24,990. Second one is 31,992. 31,992. Next is 15,996. 15,996. Then next is 7,500. 7,500. Next one, now here we have to be careful, it is in point. It is 12,498.75. 12,498.75. Because here both the values were in point, so it is to be done carefully. Then next is 48,000. And last है only 4,000. ठीक है, अब इनका सबका टोटल करना है हमने. वी हैव टू फाइंड सिग्मा RW. Sigma means summation of all these values. So right now you can note down, but please later on do it yourself for the sake of your practice. For me, it is coming out to be 14,04,976.75. I speak in digits also. 1,4,9,7,6.75. Okay. Now, because I was not having space below this table, so that's why I have done on this side, but you have to do below the table. So write the formula CPI या consumer price index, या अगर if in the statement cost of living word is used, तो write here cost of living index full words में, that is equal to sigma RW divided by sigma W. Now put the values. 144,976.75 divided by 1097.5. And the answer which is coming out, that is 132.09. Now, some of you may think that later on we can do with the help of calculator. So please, my request and advice is that please don't make use of calculator. Because in the examination, whether school examination as well as in when you will be there in 12th class, calculators are not allowed. So try to have practice with hand only. 132.09. ठीक है, जिन्होंने कर लिया calculation, very fine, very good. And those who were unable to find the calculation, they can just note down the answer, but later on do it yourself and then cross check. ठीक है, चलो, now very less time is left. I want to show you next question. You just write the statement. Solution you can do later yourself for practice purpose. Quickly write down. Find cost of living by family budget method. And items are A, B, C, D, E. Prices in 2004. ये दिया हुआ है prices in 2004. इसके नीचे एक लाइन छोड़ लेना है. The values are 39, 8, 14, 12 and 25. 39, 8, 14, 12 and 25. Then next column is given price in 2014. 2014 prices are 47, 12, 18, 15, 30. I repeat, 47, 12, 18, 15 and 30. Then next column, now see here weights are already given. ठीक है, हमें दिया ही हुआ, स्टेटमेंट में ही दिया हुआ, weights column is given. Just leave one line to write the abbreviation and values given are 4, 1, 3, 2, 1. 4, 1, 3, 2 and 1. ठीक है, and question is asked कि find out cost of living index. Okay, you try to do it yourself. Firstly, you do it yourself. This line is not there. It was drawn by mistake. So when you do it in fair work, So please make best use of the space available. Try to have all the columns in same way, on the same space. Horizontally in a single table, all the values are to be shown. I could not show, that's why I write here, but you have to manage the space. So firstly, find price relative, 47 by 39 into 100, then 12 over 8 into 100, with 18 by 14 into 100, then 15 over 12 into 100, and last is 30 over 25 into 100. Don't worry, आप पहले आंसर लिख लो. On one side of your sheet or page, write the answer, because if meeting gets over itself, then later on you can complete at home and you can cross check. Answer, main answer is 126.13. Okay? Only last minute is going on. Jitna ho sakta hai you can do. Otherwise you complete it later. So as per my calculation, it is, our column is 120.5, 150, 128.5, 125, and last is 120. Right? Then last column, you have to find the multiplication between R and W column. It's 482, 150, 385.5, 250, 120, and total as per my calculation 1387.5, 1387.5. In the end, substitution of values, 1387.5 by 11, and we will get this answer. जो बच्चे नहीं कर पाए फास्टली, नो प्रॉब्लम, डोंट वरी, डोंट गेट अपसेट. बाद में यही क्वेश्चन आप दोबारा से करके देखिए अपने आप. ठीक है, ये आंसर आएगा आपका. इफ यू गेट दिस आंसर, देन योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, यू गेट फुल मार्क्स. और अगर नहीं आता है तो अपने आप डिडक्ट करिए. 6 में से कितने मार्क्स देने अपने आप को खुद से सोचना है. ठीक है. सो टुमारो